How to change Facebook page password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Facebook page password in just a few taps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, let me tell you that Facebook pages don't have separate password. Instead, your Facebook account password is what control access to your page. So here to change your page password, you need to change the password of your main Facebook account that manages the page. So here simply open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you simply have to tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, you simply have to tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And here from the settings page, you simply have to tap on the option labeled See More in Account Center. And now here, once you see the interface like this, you simply have to scroll down and tap on password and security. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on the option that says change password. And after that, you simply have to select your Facebook account, and on the next page, you simply have to enter your current password. And once you're done with it, you simply have to enter a new password and re-enter it to confirm. And once you're done with that, you simply have to tap on change password, and Facebook will ask if you want to stay logged in or logged out from other devices. Choose whichever you prefer for security, and once you have changed your password, your Facebook page will automatically be protected with the new one. And make sure to also review who has admin access to your page. You can do this by going to the page settings, page access, and removing anyone that you don't recognize. And that's it. That's how you can change your Facebook page password and secure your account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.